Good evening and welcome to DOTW. We're going to make a cherry lightning lemon drop today with lightning vodka. First thing you're going to do is you're going to start out with a lemon. You want ½ ounce of lemon. So we'll chop this right there in half like that. Grab your squeezy. Drop it in there. Straight into your mixer glass. 1/2 ounce lemon. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go in with an ounce of cherry juice. Drop that into your mixer as well. Haha! Don't forget about your 2 ounces of lightning vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go ahead and drop in a little bit of ice. Pop that right onto your shaker. Pull that apart. Grab the glass you're going to be drinking from. We'll go ahead and strain. After that, keep your surface nice and clean. We're going to add a little more ice to the drink itself. Doesn't have to be anything special, just something to keep it nice and cool. Top your glass off with a little bit of your favorite lemon lime soda. Get a little fizzes. Come in with your lemon. Get rid of your seeds. Drop in your garnish. And there you have it, a cherry lightning lemon drop.